Hello, everyone. This is a presentation about competition law and supply chains, and in particular, about the risks of onshoring and extended enterprises. This material would be useful for those who are engaged in supply chain management and development, for instance, those engaged in onshoring, offshoring, collaborative bidding, and rationalization of your supply chain. It's best to start by defining our terms. So, what is a supply chain? The best definition of a supply chain is that produced by the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supplies, CIPS. And it's talking about the chain of manufacture all the way up to the ultimate interface with the customer. The ultimate interface with the customer is regarded as the prime or the apex of the supply chain. So, as you can see from the definition, it takes you all the way from the raw materials to the services, into the finished products, and even into the distribution. However, retail is regarded generally as part of the customer experience, i.e., a retailer is regarded as an agent of the customer. And so where the point of interface is the retailer, that's essentially your customer. On the other hand, competition law regulates the market to provide a level playing field. And that can involve both the private sector and the public sector. So the private sector could, for instance, create a monopoly, and the public sector could, for instance, distort the market by pumping in large quantities of taxpayers' money, which is regarded as non-competitive. See, a classic example of a supply chain would be a video game producer like Sony, for instance. It would have a design and creation input, it would have a production and logistics input, and it would have a sales and support input.